Hey everyone, welcome. If you're here, you've probably heard about Linux and wondered what it actually is, why people use it, or whether it's something you should learn. In this video, I'll give you a simple overview and explain what you'll learn in this course. So first, what is Linux? Linux is an operating system, just like Windows or macOS. It's the software that sits between you and the hardware, managing things like memory, files, processes, and devices. Technically, Linux itself is the kernel, the core part of the operating system, but when people say Linux, they usually mean a complete system built around that kernel. That brings us to Linux distributions, or distros. A Linux distribution is a bundle that includes the Linux kernel plus system tools, software, and a desktop environment. Different distributions are built for different purposes. For example, Ubuntu is popular for beginners, Fedora focuses on newer technologies, Arch is more hands-on, and Kali Linux is used for cybersecurity. Under the hood, they're all Linux, they just make different choices on how things are set up. Now, how is Linux different from Windows? Windows is proprietary software, you don't get to see or change how it works internally. Linux, on the other hand, is open source. That means anyone can view the code, modify it, and share it. This leads to more transparency, flexibility, and control. Linux is also known for being lightweight, stable, and secure. It's why Linux runs most servers, cloud platforms, supercomputers, and even Android phones. Windows dominates the desktop, but Linux dominates the infrastructure of the internet. Another big difference is how you interact with the system. Linux heavily uses the command line. That might sound intimidating at first, but it's actually one of its greatest strengths. And I'll show you how to use it confidently in this course. So what will you learn here? We'll start from the basics, installing Linux, understanding the file system, and learning how the operating system works. Then we'll move into the terminal, permissions, users, processes, software management, and essential tools you'll use in real environments. By the end of this course, Linux won't feel confusing or mysterious anymore. You'll understand how it works and how to use it effectively. Whether your goal is information technology, cybersecurity, DevOps, or just becoming a better computer user. If that sounds good, let's move on to the next lesson and start building real Linux skills.